Hey, welcome to this shortwave radio channel, and well, this you will recognize as my original MLA 30 loop antenna. It is the one that I purchased last fall. I received it somewhere in September. It's been weathering winter pretty well, but now I've got its little cousin here. They are here, so we got two loops now. This is the MLA 30 Plus, as you see. Once again, mounted with the broomstick and everything. And they are identical pretty much, but now that I'm installed, it's very temporary, by the way, my install right now, because this is not going to stay like that. But two MLA 30s, the Plus and the regular one. They are, of course, not exactly in the same positioning. I mean, I can't put them, really close to each other because they'll interact. But they are roughly in the same, so they're the same orientation and not very far from one another on the balcony here. So this is going to start my tests today, and I already had a few tests done. Interesting results, actually. A lot of people are asking me, what's the difference, MLA 30, MLA 30 Plus? Well, I told you about the difference in the frequency range. It starts at 500 kilohertz. The difference in voltage. So the MLA 30 original is used with the bias T of the RSPDX. The MLA 30 Plus, powered by my little Apple iPhone 5 little Apple Cube power supply. In case, because one of the things that you might say is, well, maybe one has more noise than the other because it's not the same power supply. The first thing that I did is actually exchange the power supplies. I actually powered the MLA 30 Plus with the bias T and see if there's a difference in signal to noise ratio. And I've noticed that whatever I do, there's no difference. So whether I use it and power it with the bias T of the RSPDX or with the little Apple Power Cube, there's no more noise on one situation or the other. So these are the same pretty much. So I can actually test them in that situation for sure. So tests are coming up and interesting results coming up also, as you'll see with the MLA 30 Plus, which seems to be an updated version of the MLA 30 antenna. Enjoy my videos. Please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.